As an AI ethics specialist, my role is crucial in steering AI towards ethical practices. I focus on the observability layer, which involves three key aspects: observability, evaluation, and security. Observability is about ensuring transparency and accountability in AI systems. It means making sure that AI algorithms are explainable and understandable, so that we can identify and address any biases or unfairness. Evaluation is all about continuously assessing the impact of AI on society. We need to ask ourselves, is AI benefiting everyone equally? Are there any unintended consequences? By evaluating AI systems, we can make informed decisions and mitigate any potential harm. Security is another critical aspect. We must protect AI systems from malicious attacks and ensure the privacy of individuals' data. This is essential to build trust and maintain the integrity of AI technologies. But why are these principles so important? Well, AI has a significant societal impact. It can shape our lives, influence our decisions, and even affect our rights. That's why we need to ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a way that respects human values and promotes fairness. To be an AI ethics specialist, you need a strong educational background. A degree in computer science, AI, law, philosophy, or a related field is essential. You must have knowledge of AI ethics and understand its societal impact. Strong communication and analytical skills are also crucial to navigate the complex ethical challenges that arise. So, let's steer AI towards ethical practices by prioritizing observability, evaluation, and security. Together, we can shape a future where AI benefits everyone while respecting our values, privacy, and regulatory policies.